With Tom Brady landing the cover of Madden 18, Patriots fans may be worried about the Madden curse, but clearly the GOAT isn't, and you shouldn't be either. Here's proof: the top 5 seasons by Madden cover boys. Odell Beckham Jr. broke onto the NFL scene with a monster rookie season in 2014 and followed it up in 2015 as the Madden cover boy and reeled in 96 receptions for 1,450 yards and 13 touchdowns to make his second Pro Bowl in as many NFL seasons. Eddie George had a career-high 403 rushes in 2000 and started in all 16 games for the Tennessee Titans. He rushed for over 1,500 yards and 14 touchdowns while earning first-team All-Pro honors. Larry Fitzgerald turned in another stellar season for the Cards in 2009. Starting in all 16 games, he recorded 97 receptions for over 1,000 yards and a league-leading 13 touchdown receptions. After winning the Super Bowl in 2009, Drew Brees felt no effects of the Madden curse. Number 9 racked up over 4,600 yards and 33 touchdowns to go along with a league-high 68.1 completion percentage on his way to his 3rd straight Pro Bowl appearance. Calvin Johnson had the best statistical season of his career while gracing the Madden cover. In 2012, Megatron recorded career highs in receptions with 122 and receiving yards per game with 122.8. But the season will be most remembered for Johnson breaking the total receiving yards record by amassing an NFL record 1,964 yards through the air.